guys, it's Mervin, and welcome to my survival academy, my survival school. I'm beating olives today with my squad, with my team. It's 2025 olive season, and I just wanted to ask a question. This is a question video. It's not a teaching video. Okay? What's your family disaster survival plan, or plans, plural? What is it? Do you have one? If you don't have one, you better think about start getting one, okay? Because at some point in this modern era, you're going to need it. Now, the good news is I've created a survival platform right here. Hundreds of survival training videos based on my knowledge from almost a decade of military service and experience in my country. And I've been training, and I've been trained and certified and qualified as a jungle expert. I've transformed these trainings into civilian training for the civilian world. Okay? So I know what I'm talking about, and I know what I'm teaching. Okay? And I live it. So the question is, what are you doing? Because I've got a plan. All my videos are part and parcel of my plan. All my books, all my audios, and my lifestyle. Okay? I've got a getaway house. I've got a getaway plan with contingency plans behind that getaway plan. It's a family disaster preparedness survival plan. If you don't have one of this, you better get it. Because if you don't have it, chances are things can go wrong, because we live in a fragile, vulnerable, and volatile world and time. So you want to try and start thinking like this. You can come here and train with myself and my team, or you can in Italy, or you can train online. I'm giving you some options. Okay, while I work, I'm talking to you. So it's up to you what you want to do. You can sit back and do nothing, and then when things go wrong, you've got no one to blame but yourself. Okay? So I work hard every day, all day, and I get up early in the morning and put my trainings together for the world. These are the end times we're living in. Whether you're religious, spiritual or not, you better wake up. Okay? Artificial intelligence that is claiming to be our friend and that's going to make our life so much easier and better is actually the enemy, but people don't know this. This is in prophecy, in the Bible. So I can't release all the information now because I'm working. Okay, I'm dealing with stuff. I'm beating olives. I'm taking the time to make a 3-5 minutes video for you. 3 to 5 minutes. Take life serious. Take your life and your family's life into your own hands, under your own control. Okay? And get some survival training under your belt so that you can look out for yourself and your family, protect them, provide for them, and not only survive but live in a post-apocalyptic scenario and thrive in that scenario, whether it's real world or whether it's just a scenario until it becomes real. Hopefully all of this is just a dream, but I don't think so, because you can look around and see what's happening. Okay? And when you put the words of God and Holy Bible together with what's happening, they match up. Okay? And so things are not getting any better, and things are not destined to get any better. Okay? Man is a pretty destructive species. And with the advent of AI, we are hearing rumors from the experts, and we're hearing facts from the experts. And we can't determine what actually will happen as lay people. So we have to depend on the Word of God. And the words of God say that it's going to get worse. Okay? And I can prove that to you in other videos. So you want to make sure that you've got some survival skills under your belt. And that's what I teach you on this platform. I want to thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. and I will see you another one very soon. Make sure to leave your comments. Until next time, check out my other survival training videos and tutorials, okay? Thank you and bye.